today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on customization here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then you come here to display covers on overlays, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's main display covers on overlays disable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.